Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's short tutorial, I will show you how can you refresh your Instagram feed. By applying this setting, your whole feed will be changed. Let's start the video and see how this feature works. Open up your Instagram app in your mobile phone. Open your profile page. Scroll down a bit and find the option Content Preferences and then tap on it. Tap on Reset Suggested Content. Your content is refreshed successfully. Hope so this video helps you in refreshing your feed. If there is any problem, let me know in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.